Let's do an unboxing. I don't know what's in all these boxes. Stuff that I ordered over the past week, maybe 2. Especially Amazon boxes. And I just ordered that stuff in the past couple days. But let's start with the big one. Ooh, I forgot I ordered this. It's like super cubes. I've been wanting these. Some super cubes. Okay, so my idea is, in my mind, what made me order it is that when I'm gonna start like batch cooking in my mind. I don't know yet. But like if I batch cook, these are each 1 cup. And I think it was 2 I made here. So each one is 1 cup. So if I make like a big batch of rice, then I can put, you know, like have portions 1 rice and then, you know, like microwave it when it's time to eat it. Because I buy frozen rice from Trader Joe's and I'm like, why am I buying frozen rice when it's so much cheaper to buy a bag and cook it myself? So, yeah, for the kitchen. These are baking sheets, right? But what made me buy them is that they're not 4-sided. Like, they sloped. Like, they got this angle on the end. So your food just slide right off. And that really intrigued me. I was like, oh, okay. And I wasn't the only one in here who was impressed by that. I ain't gonna say no names, but I was not the only adult in this house impressed by that. So, on the big one, the angle was on the long side. And in here, what do we got? Some Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E amino bonding complex. Bonding conditioning mask pack. Okay. So, a hair mask. Is this for your hair? Biotin collagen. Yep, for your hair. A Vitamask, collagen, and vitamin C. Okay, so a face mask. Yep, another face mask. A Dove dry spray. Advanced care. So let's figure it. No, anti-perspirant deodorant. Okay, so I like this tiny. I can put this in the car. For the summertime. CoverGirl Clean Color Eyeshadow. Some pretty colors. These type of colors always remind me of the Naked palette, which I have. I have the second one and the third one, and I've never used them. Oh, Hydro Boost Water Cream. I was on this for a good minute. I was on to the Hydro Boost for a while, and then I couldn't find it. Then I felt like it wasn't doing what I needed it to do, so I switched to Dermalogica. And I've been on Dermalogica for a good while. I just don't remember what. Okay, All of the Herbs, a favorite. Sweet and Smoky Rub. I think this was the first one she dropped, a favorite. This is really good on string beans. I think it's like the first thing I put it on was some string beans for some reason. But I was probably hyped to use it, but it's really good. Garlicky Onion and Herb. Another Sweet and Smoky Rub. And a Salt and Pepper Blend. And after I ordered this, I found one in my cabinet. I should organize my spice cabinet. I need to add that to the list of things to do. A magnetic mount. I really like this mount on a tripod. It's MagSafe. I bought it, I don't know. This is my second one because I bought one some months ago. And I really like it. It's really easy on, easy off with MagSafe phones. And my son broke it the other day. He was using it as a microphone. And then next thing you know, he was on the floor trying to find the screws. And I found the screws and I put it back together. It's just not the same. So I bought another one. Oh, this. So I was reading this Facebook post. And this lady was like, how do y'all keep... It was in a Facebook group for Honda Odyssey owners, right? And this lady was like, how do you keep your cup from shaking all around when you're driving? And people was commenting, you know, little things like, oh, I use a 40-ounce cup, blah, blah, blah. And I commented, was like, and I just so happened to be in the car when I saw it. So I took a picture of my cup, and it's the Simple Modern 40-ounce track. So I take a picture in my cup holder. I'm like, oh, this is my cup. This is my cup holder. I'm like, it jingles a little bit, but it's never falling out the cup holder. Fine. That had to have been Thursday. Do you know Friday I got in my car and I had some ice water and that shit jingled so bad. It got on my last nerve. But also, so I went back to the post to see what other people suggested. And there was a few other people with that same cup who was like, oh, I just put the little boot on the bottom of it to keep it from moving around. So these little boots came in a 2-pack. So I got one. Well, it came in 2 packs. So I got one. Okay. What is this? Oh. Damn, this say great for dogs. Well, anyway. It's fractionated coconut oil. So I've been using this since like September. And I use it on my skin. I use it on everybody. I mix it with lotion, or whatever lotion we use. And normally I use the Vaseline in the brown bottle. Cocoa something. Cocoa Radiant. I don't know. I think that's it. But anyway, I mix this with the lotion. Me and all 3 of the kids have eczema. So we be ashy. We be dry. But this has really helped. I have not had as many eczema flares like on my body. Really just on my hands. And I think that's more of an allergic reaction to something. And then monk fruit sweetener, because I put that in my coffee every day. This toothpaste dispenser thing. My kids waste so much toothpaste. So we're going to see how this works. And then after I ordered it, I was thinking like, oh yeah, this will help, you know, y'all stop wasting toothpaste. But now that I think about it, my kids will probably just keep pushing a button and keep pushing a button and keep getting more toothpaste. So I don't know. We'll see. Whoa. Okay, so it's the little stickers. I guess it just sticks to the wall, which is fine. You put the tube of I don't know. Oh, I guess the tube of toothpaste go back here. I don't know. Anyway, when they stick their toothbrush in and like push, it goes up top and then toothpaste is supposed to come out. So we'll see how that works. Let me put all these pieces back together before I can't find them and be mad. Okay, some markers. Some moringa. Oh, I forgot I ordered these. Where are my scissors? These are the silicone muffin things. Because I want to put these in the kids' lunch. And this pack came with different shapes. Okay, much smaller than I thought, but that's cool. So, I got rectangle shape, regular circle, and then a square. So, this would be good, like, to separate the cheese from the crackers or something. I put something in their lunch the other day and it was like, Mommy, it started touching something. It was like a jelly sandwich and some crackers and cheese. And it was like, but Mommy, my crackers had jelly on them. So maybe this will help with that. And the last thing, these crevice tools. So scrolling on Instagram, YouTube, somewhere. But this lady was saying that this is one of her best buys from Amazon. And I was like, oh, a crevice tool, this could probably come in handy. But for what? I mean, like, of course we got crevices, but I was like, I'm not just going to jump to buy it. I swear, I got up from the table and I could see, like, crumbs in the little creases between the table and the legs. And it's been driving me crazy. And I've been able to get them out, like, normally with the vacuum cleaner. And I was like, oh, okay, it's been working with the vacuum cleaner fine. Maybe I'll just use, like, a credit card, debit card or something to get it out. It's fine. But then, like, the creases in the chairs, like the dining room chairs, I used to could vacuum them crumbs out. Apparently, I went too long without vacuuming them crumbs, and now they ain't trying to come out. So, I got this. And then, I see that. I walk outside. I go in the car. I get in the car. And now I can see all these crevices in the car that also need a crevice brush. So, this was like $5, maybe less. And it came with 4 brushes. So, and the bristles are really stiff, so this will probably be good. So I'll keep one in the car and the rest in the house until I figure out where I need them. I guess maybe one upstairs, one downstairs. That's nice. So yeah, that's all I got. Is that everything? Is there any more packages over there, y'all? By the door. By the door.
No.
No packages?
I am out.
That's all I got.